As the very first Chinese manufacturer of pocket spring machines, Guangzhou Lianrou Machinery and Equipment Company (Ltd) started the production of upholstered furniture equipments in China. Out of his own dozens of years' experience on machinery researching and manufacturing, founder of Lianrou developed the first pocket spring machine in China. And this machine won recognition and praises in Tourism Guangzhou exhibition from mattress enterprises and manufacturers of domestic and overseas. For many years after that, Lianrou has always kept in mind a belief of technological innovation, quality first, and top-class service. And he has continually researched and developed a series of upholstered furniture manufacturing equipments: pocket spring machine, pocket spring assembly machine, automatic mattress packing machine, mattress roll packing machine, foam roll compressing machine, tape edge machine, pocket spring production line, etc. We are the supplier of more than 2,000 mattress firms such as Moose, Simmons, and IKEA. We have 25 years' experience in foreign trade and export to more than 150 countries, as well as established after-sales, technical service centers around the world. In recent years, Lianrou has kept bringing in CNC centers of famous international brands. Meanwhile, Lianrou has recruited plenty of technical talents with abundant experience and new concepts in machinery manufacturing, including software experts, engineers with master degree and some doctor degree, and mechanism specialists who have gained national recognition.